Welcome to Redline Review. For unforgettable trips, the audacious 2026 Ferrari Motorhome combines Italian performance with tailored luxury living. The first actual supercar motorhome, it combines Ferrari's racing heritage with luxury and cutting-edge technology. Performance and exterior of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is unique. The lightweight aluminum alloy and carbon fiber bodywork was inspired by Ferrari F1. Performance DNA includes aerodynamic channels and an active rear diffuser that improve airflow and stability. The stunning broad grille features the prancing horse, LED headlights, and distinctive air intakes. Replace mirrors with retractable side cameras for a sleeker look and less drag. Ferrari's flagship Hypercar sports a hybrid V12 engine. It establishes a class record by accelerating the motorhome to highway speeds in under 5 seconds with over 900 horsepower. Variable magneto-pieological dampers and rear-wheel steering ensure accurate performance on mountain passes and the coast. Interior design details. Ferrari's opulence and racing spirit permeate the camper van. A digital instrument cluster and carbon fiber highlights evoke the Ferrari SF90 Stradale on the driver-focused dashboard. Flat-bottom steering wheels and integrated controls make all activities possible. The living room has Italian leather, exposed carbon, and Alcantara. Every surface is hand-finished with modern beauty and motorsport flair. Lounge features. 2 motorized recliners may become queen beds from athletic chairs. JBL Ferrari designed 55-inch OLED panel with multi-channel sound Ferrari red ambient lighting. A rooftop with stunning views and lots of light, gourmet dining, and kitchen ideal for hosting. The design kitchen features a convection oven, espresso, and flush-mounted induction cooktop. Large wine cooler, touch-controlled smart fridge, carbon fiber cabinets with soft close drawers. A 4-person modern dining room can become a lounge or office. The private room has a spa-like bathroom with a Bluetooth speaker, rainfall shower, and ambient lighting. Heated marble flooring, designer fixtures, and backlit vanity mirror water closet. Only Ferrari embroidered linens cover the private back sleeping suite's king-size memory foam bed. Personalized closet cabinets, reading lights and USB-C ports. Technology and networking innovation is everywhere, including the Focus 17-inch touchscreen controller, climate, entertainment, and lighting voice control, Wi-Fi hotspot, 5G internet, multiple USB hubs, and wireless charging pads. Safe driver aid Ferrari Motorhome features, adjustable stop-and-go cruising, lane centering with upgraded 360-degree cameras, vehicle emergency brake blind spot, and cross-traffic alerts. In conclusion, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome combines penthouse luxury with Ferrari performance. From the Highlands to the Riviera, Italian ingenuity, speed, and grace shine every mile. You're on